Hello? Hi, guys. Renegade, I got you. Wow, are you kidding? I can even do it. I can even... Oh, that's like my favorite. Wait, let me try it one more time. It's super hot. Don't kill me, I'm just an ape. Oh, it's 12 o'clock. Happy birthday, you freaking legend. Happy birthday. Oh. Why is my mouth not matching up again? This game always does this. I have no idea why, but it does. It always makes everything laggy. Look at my mouth. Alright, should I load out? I'm going on the loadout. Can you protect my coochie?
I'll drop a bit.
Oh shit! I forgot to pull my chute! I'm sorry. I'm dying. Then I was busy talking to myself. Oh shit! That's something I would totally do too. I was so confident in pulling it like last minute. I'm going up on the roof by myself. I downed one, I downed one, I downed two, I downed two, but I'm gonna die now. I got them all! It's all the bed, bro. My platform. Ouch. No good. No. Off the platform. My platform. I'm a workaholic. Ah! You freak! He camped in the corner. That's over. Stupid! Stupid! Go back in your corner, stupid! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Bro. What is wrong with these people? Go away. My platform. Hi, Skata! Hi, Skata! What are you doing, Skata? No! He literally hid in the mother corner while I said you're talking to my chat. He must be like, oh, I really need a poo. Can you hurry up? Oh, I need the toilet. So bad. Guys, can you just imagine him literally, because we didn't hear him at all. Like, at all. So the dude stood here like this, waiting for me to come. When she's coming. Where? Oh, no, she's not coming. Oh, wait, she's coming. The whole time.
Bro, but how am I supposed to know if there's a trophy system on top of the car before it comes at me without looking at it?
Okay.
Brick wall waterfall. Thinks he got it, but he don't. And I do so boom with that attitude. Peace, punch, catch and crush. I got something you can't touch. Bang, bang, choo choo train. Wind me up, I do my thing. No Reese's Pieces 7 up. Mess with me, I'll mess you up.
Okay, can you do an Essex accent? Hello, come from Essex. It's a play. Yeah, kom maar naar je staan. And he's like, told me, like, do you want to have a coffee? And I was like, no. And then I was like, like over her. I got my nails done. He's making me look like a fucking dog. Is that Essex enough for you? I was like, no, I changed it. Mine's right on the D-pad. Put a ramp downwards. Downwards. We're moving it down. I'm gonna get fall damage. Yes. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Come look at this.
No, you ruined it, bro.
Look at this.
I'm crying. Yes, what a clutch! Let's go! I'm good at this game! Yes! No. Bye, everybody!